I used Adobe Photoshop 2018. To select your picture, you have to go to the file option and bring your picture. Now you can see picture on screen. Then you have to unlock layer and layer becomes 0. You have to copy your layer by Ctrl J and layer becomes layer 0 copy. Afterward, you have to close eyes of layer 0. Then you will choose camera raw filter from filter option. Here you can see the basic index where you can manage exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, black, clarity, dehaze. Now open HSL adjustment index where you can adjust color from HUE, aquas, green, yellow, blues, purples, magenta. Now open saturation and adjust saturation. Red, orange, yellow, green, aquas, blues, purples, magenta. Now you can open luminance, orange, red, green, yellow, aquas, blues, tone, curve, highlights, lights, dark, shadows, and then open FX effects index where you can manage amount, midpoint, roundness, feather, highlights. Filter making has been finally finished. Now you can easily see the difference between before and after picture. Then merge layers. Then we open level index by Ctrl L for applying shade. Then we manage output level, input level. Then merge layers. You have select the option file and you will choose PNG format to save your picture. Finally, picture is in front of your screen and you can easily check the difference after editing the picture.